Hello everyone, welcome back to this FICO practice session. I hope everybody are doing good. Today we are going to configure the recurring document. A recurring document which will help us to post the same entry automatically every month once it is configured. Instead of creating a manual journal entry each time, that is SAP does it for us. And in our last practice session, we covered the how to post sample document and configuration, all those things. I have provided that link below. If you haven't seen it, go and watch it. Okay, so before we configure for recurring documents, let's quickly understand what is recurring document actually does it. A recurring document is not a real accounting entry, it's a template. So we set up the account and amounts once and SAP generates this entry every month on its own. Example, I will take as a rent. Rent what to do, we will use the same account, same amount and every month we'll post. So instead of manually creating a journal entry each time, we configure it once and SAP take care of repetition for us. Okay, let's get into the configuration now. So this is the accounting, so financial accounting, general ledger and document entry. So this is the reference document. In this reference document, you can see sample document and a recurring document. Last in previous class, we have covered this sample document. Now we are going to configure for the recurring document. FBD1 is the T code for recurring document. So before we configure for this recurring document, we have to create a GL account for rent. So I will just go to the new tab. Then FS00 is the GL account creation, and these two are the ledgers we have created as of now. So I will just copy this ledger and I will copy all the properties, everything it will copy, and we just change the GL account number. I will create a 400 200 as a rent account and click yes. So it is copied now. If anything necessary required changes we have to make, so I'm just changing it to salary to rent account. Rent account. If you are getting any confused, it is copied or not, you just confirm with the that GL account number 400 200 and click on the save. Then it is saved and we have now rent account ledger here. Okay, let's where before after creating this we have a document number ranges also we have to give for this OB A7. It is document number ranges. So just open any one. Then our company code is AA12. Click on intervals. So this is the GL account posting number ranges and this is the sample document. And now we are giving the recurring document, that is X1. X1 is the number ranges for a recurring document. Then I'll give 3000 to 399. So I will show you. I will just go to try to post here entry. So first run on, I'll take as a April 1st April 2026 to 31st March 2028. 2 years I'm taking here. We have an agreement of 2 years for rent. So that's the reason I'm taking as a 2 years. And this is the intervals in month. This is the what frequency of how that entry has been, recurring entry has been posted. It is monthly, 2 months once, quarterly. So just take it as a monthly. These are the three important things in the recurring document. One is first one. First one means starting date. Last one is means end date, and this is the interval means frequency. How often the recurring entry has to be posted. So then document type is SA. SA means GL account. Then you have to post the entry, that is debit, and rent account we have created 400 200. Debit. Yes, first run is in the past. Why? Because we have in June and we are posting for January. No, so that's why these are coming. It's okay. Ignore and just click on enter. You can see here in company code AA12 the number ranges X1 is missing for the year of 2026. So this is I won't save that. So I just why X1 you are using. You can see the X1 is the recurring document. So I'm just using now X1. I will save now. So now the document number ranges has been saved for a recurring document. So now click enter. It will allow. Okay, now I will give as a rent 50,000 and I will mention as a rent paid. Then credit 50, that is bank account 100, then enter. Then give star symbol, or you can enter manually the amount 75k and give the date. I'll give 1st April 2026. Then rent paid. Enter and save. The document was posted now. Then we can go back. Then we can go to and check that entry, the created recorded one, that is F.15. This is the display of recurring entry. We can give our company code EE12. Then click on the execute. So we can see the our created template 1st April 2026. The next one is 1/5/2026, and the end date will be last end date will be 31/3/2028. So we are posting the 50,000 for rent as every month. So this is the template which we created, and we have to go and create a recurring document now. /n means it will take to the home page, and we can go into the T code is 1F.14 is the creating a recurring document. So here I'm giving my company code. This is the create a posting document for recurring document we are creating. So here the next one, when this recurring entry needs to be run. So we can give the exact date, or else we can give the April complete month. We can give 30/4/2026. I given the complete April month, and I will mention as the year session name rent April. Then I will click on execute. Once you click on execute, it will create on batch. So now batch created for the recurring entry. So here we can see this batch and post. So again I'll go to the home page /n. Then SM35 is the batch. So here we have the batch which we created. Here it is there. Then once we have to select this, and we have to click on the process. Once we click on the process, we have to select the display error only. So while it is posting, if there is any errors, so it will show us while posting. So that's why we are selecting the display error only. Then click on the process. Okay, now entry has been posted. So where we can see the entry posted one for recurring entry, the GL account displays FBL3N. Enter. What is our rent account? Rent account GL account is 400, 200 only. Then I will click on the execute. So here we can see our entry, recurring entry 50,000 was posted. Okay, this is how we have to configure for the recurring entry. This is the process of recurring entry in the SAP.